Hello, fellow translators. Just a quick video I wanted to make, and I just wanted to remind you guys that in terms of networking, you know, right now it's not a very good time with everything that's going on because you can't meet people face to face, you can't shake hands, you can't get out there, but there's still networking going on. There's a lot of it going on. And we, as freelance translators, have the benefit that we are international. We deal with at least two different countries. So I just wanted to remind you to look up different webinars and events going on beyond your city, beyond your country, even in other places that are happening. I'm reminded because I just signed up for two different webinars. One is in Korea, another one is in Luxembourg with the American Chamber there in Luxembourg. And you know, so, and plus obviously I have events that I'm attending here locally, again in webinar form. And you know, so on three different continents I'm attending webinars, and I'm able to leverage that through, and I talked about in other places like in my course how you can use the webinars of people speaking there on LinkedIn in order to network there as well. And I'm able to use this and leverage it to network in all these different places. And I really think it's something we should be taking advantage of now, due to the fact that everyone's online. And so you actually, thanks to these webinars, you have access to all these different places and all these different countries. And so, you know, take a look and see what's happening in various different countries that you deal with. If you're a Portuguese to English translator, look up what's going on in Brazil and Portugal and the US and Australia and the UK and South Africa, any place they speak English and Portuguese, or even other places. Who knows? You know, a company in Germany probably already has everything in English, but if they want to expand to Brazil, then they might need an English to Portuguese translator. I don't know. Anyway, just broaden your horizons a bit more because there's a lot going on. And so you're really limiting yourself if you're not, I don't know, trying to take advantage of it in some way. So that's it. Just a brief PSA and brief public service announcement because it's, you know, I realized as I was signing up for all these webinars that they're happening all over the place. So I really hope other people are doing the same thing. And that's it. I need to go now, need to get back to work, but I just wanted to bring that up. And so hopefully you guys are doing the same thing. I'll talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.